Let's now get you an update on that doctor's strike in Uttar Pradesh.
Well, finally, some good news, at least for the patients. After the lathi charge on doctors in Uttar Pradesh, they've now come back to haunt the Uttar Pradesh government. The Allahabad High Court has taken a proactive approach in the case, serving an ultimatum to the state governments, whose leaders and workers have been breaking laws with impunity, leaving the common man and honest government officials hurt and angry. Finally, the doctors, after assurance from Mulayam, active approach in the case, serving an ultimatum to the state governments, whose leaders and workers have been breaking laws with impunity, leaving the common man and honest government officials hurt and angry. Finally, the doctors, after assurance from Mulayam Singh Yadav last night, have called off their strike.
Well, Allahabad High Court there taking suo motu action that has demanded an explanation from the UP government, has served a deadline till 2 in the afternoon there for the government to explain the rationale behind lathi charging those doctors. The High Court also wants to know if the MLA Irfan Solanki had in fact forced the police to lathi charge the doctors and detain them.
In fact, let's go across to our correspondent Supriya Bharadwaj, who's joining us with the very latest on this. Supriya, now the ball is in Akhilesh Yadav's court, and this time around he needs to give his justifications not just to the doctors, not to the electorate, but to the courts.
Certainly, Meghna, it will be very interesting to see, because the deadline set was 2 p.m. and now we'll be seeing that whether the representative from the government visit the court and or they seek more time to give an explanation as to what what actions they took. But certainly, it will be really interesting to see as to how the case is put up before the court by the Akhilesh Singh government in UP. 30 days for government to wake up and
right. Certainly, Supriya. But now that the doctors have called off that strike, take us to the situation on ground in Uttar Pradesh. Are medical services there back on track?
Well, certainly, but the medical services are back, but they are still they're limping. They're not in a full-fledged fashion. The doctors still are adopting a wait-and-watch policy. Wherever there is emergency, they are providing medical facilities. But if there are cases which can actually be postponed, the treatment for them, which is not very serious ailments, can be postponed. The doctors are asking the patients to come back after a while or so. This is at the ground level. At the same time, in Delhi, when we talk about the Indian Medical Association, they are keeping a close watch on the entire episode being folding in the Uttar Pradesh, because they have said that if action is not taken, if the demands which they had put forth before the Akhilesh government are not met, then they will again restore to the strike. They will
all
come
right.
down on the streets.
Supriya, thank you for those updates. We'll have to leave it at that. We're going to switch